Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this revealing text on CapCut PC. So go to your text and add in your text, and I'm just going to put it kind of like here, and I'm going to just type in the word hello, and I'm also going to change the font. You don't have to, but I prefer this font. And then I'm going to just copy and paste the video, and I'm going to do the cutout and select auto cutout to remove that background. So you'll have the kind of text reveal. Okay, so we'll place it right about there. And we are going to put a mask on the text. So right click on the text and select create compound clip. And here's where we can mask it. So go to mask and select split and rotate it this way so it starts from here. And also you make sure add a keyframe here, and then at the end of the clip you want to like select this line and put it here. So it looks like when she's running she's kind of revealing the text, but it is better if you put the text like here instead of there. As you can see, it does like move, so try to like start here and try to like start where her body's. It is harder because she's moving in one spot, but if she's like walking from like point A to point B, it is easier for you to do this. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!